Good morning, everybody. I wanted to ask a question. Are you believe in the astrology? Many of us would think that what kind of question this is. But believe me, my friends, this is very important questions which we ask to ourselves. If your answer is yes, you are believe in the astrology, then trust me, you are on the wrong track. If you ask me my opinion, then I would say no, I don't believe in the astrology. I believe in hard work towards achieve my goal. The hard work is the only key which can give us the achievement of our life. There is no other shortcut, there is no other way to get your dream come true. So just to make you understand, I have a small story which definitely tell you should we believe on the astrology or not. So the story was based on the king and astrologers. There was a king in his kingdom, and he sat in his levy and court. And one day one astrologer came in his levy or court, and he said to the king, you will be dying the next 6 months. Then king believes that. King believed that on the astrologers, and after that his health started getting down day by day. And the mantri of that king understood that it is happened just because the kings believe on the astrologers. Then he thought and called to the astrologers again in his levy and courty, and he asked to the astrologers, how many long year will you live? Then astrologer said, 20 years I'll believe. And at the very moment the mantri strike a sword on astrologer's neck, and his neck was his head was separated from his body. And mantri said to the king that, my lord, the astrologer was lawyer. Even he did not know their future, then how could he predict others' future? So the king was understood the message of the story. But are you understand the message of the story? Yes, my dear friends, we should not believe on the astrology. Nothing will happens automatically. Things will happen automatically once we will take the necessary action accordingly. And the hard work, if you want to achieve big, so your hard work should be also big. There there is nothing you can achieve without any actions. If you want to achieve something, then you have to take the actions, and your action should be rigorous. So believe on your hard work, your actions, that definitely give you what you want in your life. I'm Sanjay Kumar signing out until we meet again. Thank you.